I'm here with the Wolfbox MF200 or MegaFlow 200, and this thing is powerful. But let's unbox this and see what we get. It has 22.2 watt hours of capacity, so quite a cool battery here, and it's a super powered turbo fan. So let's unbox this and check it out. It's quite a sturdy box, so that's nice to see. Quite well packaged. In it we have a little user manual, a little book here. Then a quick start guide, which is always nice to see. It has an air outlet, activation key, battery indicator. Okay, and here is the unit itself. So it's packaged really well. And oh, that grip, it feels great. Let's unpack this really quickly here. Yeah, oh, it's quite large and it's really grippy, so that's nice. Then we have the battery indicator here at the bottom, it seems, and we have a couple of accessories that you can put on. So let's take those out. Let's see what we get. So a little wider nozzle, really specific, and a little longer one. And then the one that's on there, of course. You can easily, I think, yeah, just unscrew that and then put on another nozzle. So you can really direct that air. So that's quite nice as well. And then a little box in here with the, I think, the power cable. Oh, and some brushes as well, so you can clean everything. It also has a carry bag with Wolfbox on it. So Wolfbox is quite a new brand, I think, and they're making a lot of different electrical equipment. You have a power cable, USB-C to USB-A, always nice to see that USB-C, and then a couple of brushes in there as well. Quite hefty, this thing, and this thing off-centered, I think it just looks really cool. So we have our air outlet, our activation key right here, our change battery button. What's that? The change battery button 3. Oh, look at that. It has a battery, a swappable battery. So but that's cool. You can just click that in. And then you can have multiple of these batteries. I think Wolfbox sells these as well. So you never run out of a battery. You can just exchange them and start charging. And the USB-C, as you can see, is right there on the bottom of the charging unit of the battery itself. So you can unplug that and then start charging that. So that's pretty cool. The gear indicator, so let's turn this on. There's a button right here. And then you have the LEDs. And you can change the gear from the lowest. Well, it's still quite a nice blow to the highest. This is the highest setting. Whoa! It almost blows right out of my hand. So that's pretty, wow, that's pretty hefty. And here's the power LEDs, so that's pretty cool as well. Okay, so let's see here on my rig. I have a sim rig and it's always gathering dust. So let me take you along with me so we can see if we can blow some dust away here. So as you can see, it's quite dusty in these nooks and crannies right there. That just blows away. That just blows away all the dust. Wow. So this is a really hefty product, and it looks cool. You have an exchangeable battery, which is pretty cool, and I think this is a very premium Wolfbox product here. I have a couple of things from Wolfbox, like a dash cam, that sort of thing, so they make everything now, and it's a really cool product. I love the brand, and I hope this video has helped you make your choice.